Presenting the Asus 15X515E BQ562TS Intel Core i5-1135G 7 15.6 Full HD Vivobook. It comes with 512GB M.2 NVMe PCIe SSD and memory and storage. 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz. It has display 39.62 cm, 15.6, 16:9, LED backlit Full HD, 1920 by 1080 60 Hz. It features built-in speaker and built-in microphone, VGA web camera, fixed type, and O ports, 1x 3.5mm combo audio jack. It also features anti-glare panel with 45% NTSC with wide 178 viewing angles with Asus Splendid. It also features 1x HDMI 1.4, Bluetooth 4.1 and 2x USB 2.0 Type A. Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC, 2x2 and 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A. 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C and 1x micro SD card reader.